Hey, Jameson here, and today I want to show you why focusing on just one app idea will actually give you profoundly more results than if you're focusing on multiple app ideas. Alright, and I can actually prove this mathematically, and I'm going to in just a second. It has one assumption though. It assumes that apps can get exponential returns on any metric really in terms of like users or profit. But if that's true, then what I'm about to tell you is it can really change your life. Let's just say that. So, and by the way, when I say exponent, for those of you who aren't familiar, if you have some number, if you've ever seen this right here, to the third, that's the same as like x times x times x. Okay, so this is the exponent in this equation, and that's what we're talking about here. Just wanted to clear that up. So let's say that each day you have 10 points of effort that you can invest into working on your different app ideas. Okay, so you've got 10 points, and you're going to spend that. In the first example, let's say you spend it 5 points each on 2 different apps. Okay, so 5 plus 5, but like we said, the assumption of this is that the effort has exponential returns. So let's say that the exponent is 2, just for simplicity. Okay, so in this case, your 10 points of effort is going to yield 5 squared plus 5 squared, and this is like your output. This is like how far your work goes, I guess. Okay? And that's going to be equal to 5 times 5, which is 25, and then that's the same thing, so 25 plus 25, that's going to be 50. So in case number 1, you get 50. But now let's see what happens if you focus all your energy on just one app idea instead of 2. So in this case, we still have 10 points of effort, and instead of splitting up the 5, we're going to do 10. Okay, so that's 5 plus 5, and then that is all squared. Okay, and 10 squared is 10 times 10, which is 100. So by focusing your energy, the same amount of energy, right? 10 is 5 plus 5, but since there's exponential returns, we get to square a bigger number and you get twice as much results. Okay, and this is a very simple example, right? Like the exponent may or may not be 2 for like the returns on your work. But at the most fundamental level, this will still be true. So as many times as you split up your efforts, like how many different ideas you're pursuing, that's how many times less results you get in terms of like output yield for your work. So that's crazy. At first, like I said, it's totally fine to explore different ideas, but once you find the one that you think resonates with the market the most, you're talking to people and this idea resonates with them, it corresponds with the problem that they have, and you're not lying to yourself about that, then focus 100% of the time you have for working on apps on just that project, and you're going to get massively more results than if you just split up your efforts. Alright, that's all I have time for today, this short little video. Thanks guys for watching. If this was helpful to you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to my channel if you want to see more videos like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.